Ken, CEO from Whizzl. We believe that future smart city will be data-driven and shaped by the citizens. But most of the smart city solutions are focused on IoT, but forget about the human sense and behavior. Therefore, we developed a location-based social feedback platform to make your city better. At Whizzl, we are aiming to create a better and safer living environment for the future through simple communication, collaboration, and management within the community. Do you know that a person complains approximately 30 times in a day? Myself, probably even more often. The problem is that most of the time people don't give or report feedback because the existing communication flow is too complicated. The message is not received by a right person in charge who could solve the problem. A business losing customer and doesn't even know why. Why communication between community is so important? Because according to the Department of Fire and Emergency Service, the first simple rules to be prepared and ensure your safety in high-rise building during emergency is to know your neighbor. Nowadays, more and more people prefer to use social tools to give feedback. Why? Because people want transparency, get attention and more support, and also they are impatient and wish to get immediate response. Also, people are so used to the social experience and mobile phones to handle most of the daily tasks, especially the young generation. But unfortunately, most of the social tools are not designed to collecting feedback and solving problems. Communication breakdown also happen in real estate industry because there is no progressive update between property managers and occupants. So they're not able to communicate to each other, and also this will could result in a serious safety issue as well. And I believe most of the property managers are using several tools to manage the property. For example, CRM system, emails, chat groups, or social tools. Why not using a universal platform like Whizzl? In Whizzl, the process of feedback handling is transparent and credible, as users are able to see progressive updates, so other users' feedback, and they can support and comment about it. So one-to-one communication is also possible via integrated messenger in Whizzl. And a new type of property service rating will be established based on communication and maintenance behavior. I believe this will bring a lot of value to the real estate industry. For example, if you want to move to a new place, how are you going to find that information if this is a safe area? Or how good the property being maintained or managed for the past few years? So now you can find it in Whizzl. We encourage the collaboration between property manager and occupants, where they can update each other what's happening in their surroundings. For example, can prevent disease outbreak or injuries in emergency situations. Whizzl provide a management dashboard to help property managers to manage their building more efficiently, as well allow property manager generate valuable data insights for the management or decision making. Here is the management dashboard for property manager to manage their daily routines, broadcast announcement, and generate reports. They can access anywhere, anytime. Imagine If you found that elevator is broken in this building, you can report immediately. Property manager will get an instant notification. They can respond immediately and engage with a nearby service provider via Whizzl Service Marketplace to solve the problem. Once the issue has been resolved, you are the only person who can rate and close the reported issue. You will then be rewarded for your genuine feedback. Basically, this is a workflow that I just explained. Snap a photo, report the issue, property manager replies to it, service provider solve the problems, and at the same time, occupants will receive a progressive update. Here are some of Whizzl core features. Our genuine geotag photo to reduce fact report, facility or event management, visitor management. For example, you can book a function hall and pre-register your friends and family to your new party. Our private or community chat, application or survey form, SOS button and intercom, our nearby service marketplace are created for merchants and service providers such as locksmith and plumber. In future, we will allow open API plugins for other solutions like emergency evacuations, smart home, accounting, point of sale system, and other applications. Whizzl utilizes the blockchain technology to store all service provider job details and all user reputation scores into the blockchain to reduce job dispute, assist tracking for liability, minimize manipulations on rating, and encourage our user act honestly. We launched our app already in Malaysia, where our headquarters based. Currently, we are preparing soft launch in Australia, Singapore, and Thailand, and followed by other Southeast Asia countries. Although we are focusing on Asia Pacific countries, but we are here today to look for the opportunity to speed up our expansion to European countries. Let me introduce our co-founder and chairman, Dr. William Chan, and this is me, co-founder and CEO, and Mr. Francis is our CTO, and Ms. Julia is our CMO. This is an overview of our business model. Verify the community as an official account. Whizzl premium service based on subscription basis. Commission on service marketplace and in-app advertisement. We are now looking for seed round fundings as well as strategic partner who would like to share our vision. If you would like to learn more about Whizzl, please talk to me or my team or visit our booth over there. Thank you.